Hello and welcome back everyone. I hope everybody is feeling well. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Diwali. Have a safe one with your near and dear ones. Our today's session is focused on lower extremity strengthening. Today I will be showing you 5 exercises targeting your leg muscles. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Exercise number 1 is called leg kicks, and for this you come close to a wall or a chair, something to hold on to for balance and support. You just stand up straight, keep looking straight forwards, and then you just kick your leg front and back as high as you can go. Remember to go as high as you can go, but also slowly, so you're not swinging fast but going in nice slow movements up and back. Remember to keep your back straight, keep looking straight forwards, and take deep breaths. Slow and easy with control. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. If you're getting tired, take a short break and try again. Always remember to do it at your own pace and not rush with any of the exercises. Make sure you do the same on your other side. So you turn around, hold on to the wall or a chair and do the kicks as high as you can go, slow and easy. And remember to do it for 40 seconds. The second exercise for today is called a lunge or a split squat. So for this, you just take a big step forward. So step forwards with your left leg and right leg behind. Go up on your toe on the right leg, and then you just try to lunge down and stand up. Avoid shifting your weight forwards. So your knee should not go beyond your toe. So you shouldn't do this. You have to make sure you go straight down and up. If this is difficult for your balance, you can stand holding onto a wall or a chair and then do a lunge. Do it at your own pace. If you want, you can stop and take a rest break and then continue. But we're going to try to do this for 40 seconds, as many times as you can in that time. Avoid touching your knee down on the floor. So you just go as low as you can and come right back up. Remember to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Now I'm going to do the same on my other leg. So this time my right leg will be forwards and left back, and I'm going to repeat the same. And I'm going to do this for 40 seconds, as many times as I can in that time. Go slow, down and up. Remember to do it at your own pace. Exercise number 3 is going to be on a mat. So everybody come down on your mats. And you go in a down dog position, which is essentially just going first on your hands and knees and then just lifting your hips up, and then you just kick your leg up and back as high as you can go. So you do left and right. Tuck your tummy in. This exercise will also work on your arms to hold your body up. Remember to breathe in and out, up as high as you can go. If you're getting tired, just come down, rest for a couple of seconds, go up and start. Everybody can do it at their own pace. Exercise number 4 is kneeling glute squeeze. This is a very good exercise to strengthen your glute muscle, which is also your buttock muscles right in the back. For this, you just come to sit back on your heels, and then you have to come up to a kneeling position. And while you're doing that, you have to try to squeeze your buttocks or your glutes together and sit back down and up. Remember, when you're going back on your heels, not to bend. Keep your back straight. So the back has to stay straight. Bring your hips back and up. Squeeze your buttocks. So no bending forward. Just your hips go back. Come up. Squeeze your glutes. For people who have difficulty going back on their heels or who have pain because of this, keep a pillow so it's much easier for you and you don't have to go all the way back down, and then you just come up to squeeze your buttocks. So this will avoid your knee from bending all the way back and give you a little cushion while you're doing this. Exercise number 5, which is also the last exercise for today, is called clamshells, which is again a good exercise for your glutes and for your hip rotation. So you just go in a sideline position. As you're doing this exercise, remember to keep your back straight, and remember you're just moving your leg. So you're just moving from here and you're not moving your whole body backwards. So your back, your arms and your head has to be looking straight forwards, and you're doing this exercise moving only your hips. Make sure you do this exercise for 40 seconds on your other side. That's the end of our session. I hope these exercises are helping you get stronger every day. Make sure you're doing these exercises on both sides and have fun. Please like, share and subscribe to Fitter with Lynette on YouTube and Facebook, and please comment below. I would like to hear your suggestions. Take care everyone. Bye.